So should you, can you, will you, would you not use templates, video templates for your videos? Today, let's talk about it. So when you go to make an explainer video for your business, you might make a whiteboard style video or an animated style video. And the question is whether you want to use templated characters in particular to use in those videos. Now, you don't have to. You can have them custom made. They take a lot more time and therefore they're more expensive. However, let me just kind of suggest this part. We use templates, we the collective, we use templates all the time in the modern world. When you go to design, maybe not you, when somebody goes to design a new car, they're running off the template of the car that was made before that. Hence the term, let's not reinvent the wheel, shall we? They're still using 4 wheels, often 4 doors. They have a chassis that connects these things. They have an engine in the front. These things are a template. So that's to sort of point out the fact that templates are not bad. They get a bad rap sometimes in the creative industry because it doesn't feel as creative. I understand that. I got it. But the biggest part of an explainer video is not necessarily the character drawing, but it's the connection. It's the story that tells the explainer video. So even if you saw that same character in somebody else's video, 1, the audience may not even recognize. And 2, if they do, this is a different story. So I come from the standpoint that using a templated character is not at all bad. It's the story that makes it happen. Now, if that is important to you, then it's out there and you can have it custom made. That's no problem. Just from my standpoint, don't worry too much about whether it's a custom character or a very unique character to your video in particular. Just about whether that character matches the story profile that's going in, whether it's a template or a custom one. That's the more important part.